Hello guys, welcome back. So today I am going to share to you how I overcame my fear of doing.
Can't wait to wake to your love in the morning. This simple thing that we do. Breathe in, breathe out with you. You stop to tell me just one more time before we start the day. Easy with you. Yes, it's so easy with you.
So before I start guys, andito pala ako sa isang cafe in Makati. You know how I love visiting coffee shops, right? And I think it's the perfect time kasi though makulimlim siya, pero hindi naman umuulan. Sana hindi umulan, oh my God. Okay, going back. So back when I was in high school, alam niyo naman kung gaano ko kamahal yung pagsasayaw, 'di ba? Back when I was in high school, I have wasted 3 years for waiting for the perfect opportunity or perfect timing before ako nag-join ng dance club. Imagine, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, pagka grade 10 pa ako nakasali. And all those 3 years were wasted just because I was scared. I was hesitant. I was overthinking so much. And yung 3 years na sana na yun, ang dami ko na sanang nagawa. Ang dami ko na sanang mas nakita pa sa dancing skills ko. But because of I was scared, I was afraid to start. Ayun, wasted 3 years, guys. Ewan ko ba, pero dati talaga, ang lala ng overthinking ko. Yung parang, takot ako magsimula. Ganun. Tapos, natatakot ako mag-judge. Parang, shucks, baka hindi ako masyadong magaling. Baka hindi ako worthy maka-join. Kasi ang gagaling din naman talaga ng mga ka-team ko dati. Ayun, wala ako na pala. Nga ako for those 3 years. Alam niyo, hanggang ngayon, pinanghihinayangan ko pa rin yun na kahit ngayon na slowly na-achieve ko na yung may mga dance class na ako now, ganun. Pero nanghihinayang ako sa 3 taon na yun. Oo, bata pa tayo. Marami pa tayong ma-explore. Pero missed opportunity kasi yun eh. Pero you know what guys? I believe that when we grow older, we get to know ourselves better. We become more aware. Yung parang mas nakikilala natin yung sarili natin. Mas naaalam natin kung ano yung strengths and weaknesses natin as a person. I am already on my mid-20s and if hindi ako gagalaw, then when? Honestly ngayon, nafe-feel ko na may nag-change na sa akin. Internally, physically, how I think, how I decide. Well, part of growing up. Ngayon parang, sige, go ko na yan. Ano pong aantayin ko? Game. Try ko na yan. Go, go. Puro na lang ako go ngayon. Yung parang, wala na akong pinapalampas na oras. Kasi sayang. Like for example, ngayon, I am here in a cafe alone. I have never imagined guys na magagawa ko siya dati kasi knowing natakot akong mag-order ng pagkain mag-isa. Tapos, eto pa, mag-isa lang ako sa cafe. Siyempre, mahihiya tayo, mag-overthink tayo kasi baka pinagtitinginan. Pero no, ngayon, iba na talaga siya. And I am so happy for that growth in me. Ngayon guys, I am doing now live contents. And alam nyo ba dati, ino-overthink ko pa to. Yung parang, what if walang manood? What if may mga mag-dislike? Or what if, alam niyo yun, parang ang dami kong what ifs. Dahil sa mga tanong tuloy na yan, tumagal yung pag-start ko ng pag-vlog. Which happened as well nung sa dance club ko dati. But here I am now. Alam nyo, happy na ako, maka 50, 100 views. Kahit maliit lang siya. Pero natatouch ako kasi may nanonood pala. Yung parang, may nakakatangkilik pala sa mga ginagawa ko. Kaya I just want to say guys na if kaya nyo naman, gawin nyo na. Minsan kasi hindi naman lack of opportunity yung problem, kundi tayo mismo. Yung takot natin ma-judge, takot natin mag-step up, yung takot natin mag-fail. Part naman talaga siya actually. Kasi if you are not making mistakes, you are not growing.
Woke up late, the sun still shines. Awful cold and some peace of mind. All blue jeans, no fancy plans. A good day sitting in my hands. Happy is as happy does. It ain't about what you get. It's about how you love. Laughter, the ones that you trust. It ain't no secret. Happy is as happy does. Some folks chase a pie.
Our fear can sometimes be misinterpreted as a warning not to act, but it could actually be an indication that you truly care. And from that care, you know that you really value that thing. Take that first step. It doesn't need to be perfect. It would be ugly, awkward, but at least you are past your step one. Don't wait to feel confident. Don't wait until you are not scared anymore. Because what if that never comes? Today is your chance to get up and be a warrior of your dreams. It might fail, you might embarrass yourself, you might even realize that it isn't for you, and that's fine. Because it would be bearable to say, at least I tried, and then have yourself wondering, asking, what if I tried? Things are different now, guys. Like, if I didn't start before, I won't be here now. Nakakatawa lang isipin na people know me as a very extroverted person, a very confident one. Pero dati, talagang tiklop ako, guys. Yung, if I wanna do something, ang dami pang pumapasok sa isip ko. Mga pangamba, mga doubts. Ayun, ang dami kong mga iniisip pa bago siya simulan. So here is your reminder na kung ano man yung mga pinagpapaliban nyo now, do it now. Do it scared. Do it nervously. Do it with doubts. Kasi one day marirealize mo na lang that the thing that scared you the most before could actually change your life.